Okay, ukufika kwethu la izolo sithe bavala ne sabatshela ukuthi ngoba uMaster akasabafuni abavali bahambe. So namhlanje safika, I'm the first person namanye ama leader ukufika la ngo7. So masifika sihleli bavalile but silinde ukuthi bakhiphe into zabo. Mase sahleli okay wafika uNhlanhla uthi uNhlanhla ufike kanjani, I don't know. I asked one of these guys yama Somali yabarne ke rona re phone tse uNhlanhla or atlobuisana leni le community. Nhlanhla o biditse the landlord a bitsa landlord a re shosho a sa babatla ba dumela rone a dumela re a sa babatla a re okay ka lora o sa babatla is fine, they can go. When the problem started, how fitla Phakela Mthakathi, because that community ne ba emele Nhlanhla ba ile ba tsamaya ba ya kae ko motho no lore ba mo tseba hore ba mo emetse for today ba tlo felletsane spa sa hore ba itseng ba move out. Yesterday Nhlanhla was not there with the community, so the community the time ba thoma o lilizela for Phakela Mthakathi abe lo re Nhlanhla o ba leni le problem ya hore why manje niba bias, and no one was bias because even Leena re mo file nako ya hae, attention ya hae for his side, but ra motsa hore moraona a se moloro we can go back, forward we go. Le a botsa Phakela Mthakathi ya re ya lento iqalwe yimi what, yes we understand yabatutula, but end of the day itutula yaphelelapi ni community azange esaqhubeka isize le community the way ibe ingakhona bathi itutula the abantu bahambayo. So ukufika kumphakathi ile yajabulisa icommunity ngakhulu ukubonisa ukuthi lo muntu lo afikile uyo umuntu akasizani icommunity. So like manje ulandlord she's happy everything uthi labantu baphumile ijarden lakhe naye uzokwazi uba safe. So uthatha akasabafuni ngoba several times baropa la, and obvious end of the day lena utlaba affected. So ukufika Phakela Mthakathi mina ngibona into enkulu kabe for a community yase Brandfisher ngoba somewhere somehow as a community ya Brandfisher sibuye sinelukusaba uthi thina sizenzele. So ngoba uPhakela umuntu ahamba ngayo lento le samcela uthi sicela ufike kuphi iBrandfisher uzosiza nge1 2 3. Ufikile usizile nangu landlord is happy. Even nabanye bangasabafuni babanike problem bangasabi bavele phambili sizobasiza uthi labantu laba bayenzeni baphume bahambe ngoba khona we know there is a lot of landlord bayasaba uthi bakhulume labantu babahlukumeza but akasabafuni ijarden lakhe akakhulume sizomsiza and then baphume bahambe. If yena you want to operate uzozoperatela mafuna ukufaka abantu kule garage uzofaka abantu bahlale athole imali yerent. Masikathi before bafika labantu sibe siphila kanjani, sibe siphila without bona, but manje umuntu uzosifihla ngoba mina hey ngibhadala umntwana transport 1 2 3. Yes we do understand, but before bengiphila ngani nathi kunanalento athi vuka zenzele singa relax. That's why end of the day sikhala sithi abantu bangaphandle basithathele imisebenzi abantu bangaphandle bayenzani, because asifuni most of us ukusukuma sizenzele. uPhakela Mthakathi mina ngimnika isandla ngimnika itrophy yathi wafika iBrandfisher and then waza wenza into right in our community.
Ngizomugcina baba ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi ngabe kuyiqiniso yini na ukuthi uNhlanhla uthe mayifika waveza ukuthi la iseSoweto iKaslaki
le wishilo athi ngeke azozwa ngomunye umuntu la iseSoweto ukhulela iSoweto. And akekho umuntu azothi uoniso wethu. Sonke sifikile sibuye la sibuya khona different places. Abanye bazalelwe la. But abazali uthola ukuthi abazalelwanga eGoli, baza ngemsebenzi bathola izindlu bakha la eGoli. You understand? But sonke abazali bethu babuya different places. Like mina ngibuya eLimpopo, ngakha la abantwana bami bakhulelela whatever family yami ikhulelela. Usho ukuthi abantwana bala ngoba bazalelwe kuphi la, but ekhaya kusekhaya. Yena ushilo watshela uPhakela Mthakathi athi kusesowethu la eKasilami. And vele uPhakela Mthakathi esemen azanga amlwise. Kunoba nama argument siloko singena phakathi kwabo sibakhuza whatever. Watshela noPhakela Mthakathi athi yena akanani ama bodyguard. So singazi ukuthi uPhakela Mthakathi unama bodyguard ngoba mangihamba nabangani bami uthi ngihamba nabantu not to say uthi ama bodyguard wami. Iyabantu laba zoba bangithanda ukuhamba nami.
Asibonga kakhulu baba ithi besiphela.
Ngibonga kakhulu baba.